I got the delivery box. I open it. Let me show you guys too. Yes. Okay. Oh. New steering wheel. These for the Gen coupe. Yeah, this one. Wow, looks much better. Mine all is gone. So in this video, let me talk later. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone doing the great. I got the new car, new daily drive. You can see behind me next to my sexy boy, Gen coupe or Genesis coupe. Actually, my small car, Chevy Spark, got broke, and then I got this car for the daily. And I just got it 3 days ago. Now I want to show you in this video because my steering wheel, it's gone. It looks very old, so I got the new one. Let's change it together, and then I will show you how to do that. So before I start, please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification, that bell, so you're not going to miss my video. Let's talk less and get to the video. So this is my new car. It's 2010, and soon we're gonna wrap it. Actually, I don't know to wrap it in the rose gold or midnight purple. Comment it below which color gonna be more nice on my car. And let's see the steering. Car interior is very super clean. You can see how they look like. But the steering wheel, no, I don't like it. So first things to change the steering wheel, we need to remove this airbag. For the airbag, it has the two bolts here and then exactly opposite side. It with star shape torque 40, and this one is not gonna come fully out. You have to loosen and then play a bit with the airbag to remove. Open this one. Yeah, I didn't remove that one. Huh. After that, so we have two connectors to remove. That is the yellow tab. You have to pull it out and then it's gonna come off. And then you have one earth too. So we have the one holder here. Okay, so this is the airbag. One connector here and then one earth is here. So, and it has one connector, white one. So now I have to remove this piece. Okay, because here is more comfortable to remove, because when you're removing the whole steering out, and when you want to take this one is keep moving, so it's gonna be easier when it's on. Car two, only a screw, and I believe all of that is the clip. don't scare of the sound. Look like you break it, but you are not. Hopefully. Oh. That came off. So two connector. Oh, I can remove those. Okay. Here having the one tab, hold it and then slide it out. So this is this piece, only have two connectors, and then those are gonna stick here. Look at that, nothing break, just having the squiddy sound. So I'm gonna wrap this one too. Anyway, in the middle have the one socket, size, yes, 22. So it has the one washer. Remove that washer too. This one. And this thing have to come off. Okay. Yeah. That's how it's. Oh my God! I have to wiring the old everything on the new one. New one is empty. I have to figure it out. Okay, that's how to remove. Let's go to reinstall to the new one. Okay guys, I try to reinstall and then removing those and then put it on the new one. But one mistake I made, which is I didn't get told from my friend. This piece, this silver one, I told you guys, having the two bolts here to screw like this, and then we just with the pressure is remove it, but it has those at the behind and with this cover. So this one gonna go at the top and then this cover gonna go behind it, so with the two screw sticking together. So I did break it. That is the right info about it right now, so careful to not make it. That's for my own car, and then actually it's my first time. Thanks God we found out, so you guys not gonna get this problem. I'm gonna bond it no matter. Also, if you cannot bond it, you can with the both side tape stick it to here. It's gonna be fine. I did wrap this one to the shadow black, looking good, right? So for removing those, if you see behind, it has one, but actually this is a 2 screw, but one of them, it's going with the disc cover from behind the paddle shift. So when you remove this one and then take the disc cable out and then do the same process at the new steering. Okay, as you guys see, and then see all the project looks so clean, new, with the new wrap. Also I did wrap here, match too. May I think to wrap here, but I don't want to touch this silver. Anyway, I installed the battery back. Let's check the car have any alarm or no. Everything will work. Car key inside.
카드가 삽입되지 않았습니다.
Yeah, nothing left. The trunk is open. I know that the brake, yes, no any alarm. And here, yes, everything works. So let's try the volume. This work. That one also work. Mood also work. Changing the cruise, working, and the cancel, and this one for the reset, all working. Sorry, horn also work too. That's perfect job. So guys, this video is about to finish, and then I hope you like it. If you like, give me thumbs up and then subscribe the channel. Waiting for the new video. Next car gonna be Audi Q7 for the full wrap. In this video, because the car need to be chrome delete, I will teach you guys how to do the chrome delete in DIY or at your shop. So please stay tuned, be with me, and I'm gonna back very soon. Take care, see you guys, bye bye.